Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to delete story on TikTok. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up TikTok app. Now here, go to the profile icon and it will navigate you to this profile page. Here, tap on profile photo. Now it will show you your story. So here what you have to do is go to the share icon button that is located on bottom right corner. Click on it. It will give you this option, tap on delete button or delete icon. Now it will give you two options, delete and re-edit. You can re-edit and upload it, or you can delete it. Let me tap on delete. So now you can see that you have successfully deleted your story. So this is how you can delete the story on TikTok. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.